Hello everyone, welcome to Len Guitar. This is Varun. In this tutorial I will teach you the song Alaipayude Kanna, which is actually a Carnatic song and it's been rendered in so many films as well, and it's somewhat tough to play, and my intention is to share the notes of this song. I hope you can learn this song from my tutorial. Happy learning. So Alaipayude will start from this note, the second string. So second string, this fret, which is 7th fret. Okay, so 7th fret the note is starting, that is Alaipayude. So this is F sharp. Okay, so from F sharp the note is starting. Alaipayude. So F sharp, G sharp and this note. So F sharp in the 7th fret, G sharp in the 9th fret, and this is C sharp. So F sharp, G sharp, C sharp and A. Alaipayude, Alai. So 2 strike at this note. So F sharp 2 strike, Alaipayude. So Alaipayude, and rest of the notes only 1 strike. Okay, so F sharp, G sharp, then C sharp, B, A, and B and A in a single strike. You can see Alaipayude. So Alaipayude is playing on that day. 2 notes are coming, which is B and this one, that is A. Alaipayude Kanna N. So Kanna N is B, C sharp, Kanna N, and N is playing in A and this note G sharp. So all these notes are in the second string. Alaipayude, and the fret is 7th, 9th, 10th and 14th fret. and of course 12th fret also is coming. அலைபாயுதே கண்ணா என் மனமிக, and manamiga is a G sharp A, manamiga, G sharp A, G sharp F sharp, that is manamiga. Manamiga alai, manamiga alai payude, and last alai payude is in this note, which is E, F sharp, E, and this is D sharp. So if you are playing all these notes together, it will be like since it is Carnatic, we need to apply plucking style. Okay, then only the songs will look very smooth. Otherwise we are placing all the notes single means it sounds something different. Okay, so we are applying plucking style. All these things you can learn after finding out the notes in your guitar. Okay, after that by practice you can apply plucking style. So that is the first part. Unnananda Mohana, and that part is playing in the first string. Unnananda Mohana, and the notes are in the fret, this one which is 9th fret. Unnananda, so 9th fret and 14th fret. So 9th fret note is C sharp, C sharp and F sharp. Unnananda Mohana is E and again C sharp. Likewise we can play Unnananda Mohana Venuganam, Venuganam. So Venuganam is D sharp E, Venuganam, D sharp E, C sharp. Venuganamida. So D sharp E, C sharp B, A, G sharp. So these many notes are coming for Ananda Mohana Venuganam. Unnananda Mohana, Unnananda Mohana Venuganamiga, Venuganamiga. So notes are Venuganamida, notes are this one, D sharp E, C sharp. So D sharp E, C sharp B, C sharp A, G sharp, and A and G sharp are playing in the second string, or else you can play in first string as well. So this is B and this is A, this is G sharp. You can play in first string as well. Okay, so that is the first part, and the second part is we are starting from the first string 11th fret. Telinda Nilavu. So Telinda Nilavu, we are playing the notes D sharp E, Telinda Nilavu. So all these notes are in the first string. So D sharp, that is 11th fret, 12th fret, Telinda, D sharp E, C sharp. The fret are 11th, 12th, 9th. Telinda, D sharp E, C sharp. Telinda Nilavu, and Nilavu is these two notes, that is B and C sharp. Telinda Nilavu. So Patta Pagal Pol is same note, that is C sharp and B. Telinda Nilavu, Patta Pagal Poledi. Eriyude is Eriyude is notes are B, C sharp, E. So B, C sharp, E, then B and A. Eriyude, and Eriyude is 3 notes are coming for Eriyude. You, they. For they, we are playing these 3 notes, that is this one C sharp, this one B and A. So plucking one strike, 3 notes are coming. Unnikai noki en, that is the next part. Unnikai noki en. That is playing in the second string, 9th, 10th. So fret are second string 9, 10, 12, 14 and 7th fret is coming. The notes are G sharp, A, B. Unnikai, Unnikai. So 4 notes are coming for Unnikai, that is G sharp, A, B, C sharp. Unnikai noki en. Unnikai noki en is G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp. So if you are playing this note together, it will be Irupuruvam, Irupuruvam Eriyude. So Irupuruvam Eriyude is F sharp, G, Irupuruvam Eriyude. My lyrics is not perfect, so go through the song, okay. So Irupuruvam is Irupuruvam Eriyude. Eriyude is this one F sharp, G sharp, Eriyude, that is F sharp, G sharp, then C sharp, B, A. All these notes are in the second string. Irupuruvam Eriyude. And next is Kanindavun Venuganam, that is playing in very high pitch. That we can play in the in the first string, and the note is Kanindavun. This is B, D sharp, E. Kanindavun Venuganam, and Venuganam is this one. So F sharp. Kanindavun. 2 strike at B. Kanindavun Venuganam. So Venuganam we are playing in F sharp. Kaatil nee varukade. So Kanindavun Venuganam. Kaatil, some kind of lyrics is there. Kanindavun Venuganam. Kaatil nee varukade. So that note is B, E, F sharp, E, and this one C sharp. Kangal Soruki. So for that part, this is D sharp, B. Kangal, that is D sharp. Kangal Oruki. This is B and again D sharp. Okay, go through the song, then watch this tutorial. Okay, then only it will be easy for you. Kangal Oruki. கண்கள் உருகே நிறமாய் அருகும். So that kind of notes are coming. Niramai, that is D sharp, E, F sharp. And after that, the most interesting part in the song. கடுத்த மனத்தில் உருத்து தரத்த. For that, கடுத்த மனத்தில். So this note is playing in the second string. It will be easy if you play the notes here in the second string. Otherwise you can play it in the first string as well. So if you are playing this note, this is F sharp. Okay, தடுத்த மனத்தில். So F sharp, then C sharp. That C sharp we are playing in the first string. So second string one note is there and remaining all the notes are in the first string. So four strike are there. So four strike in the F, this note F sharp in the second string, and remaining strikes, all the strikes are in the first string. So that is playing in the first string, which is C sharp note. And this note is B, B, and then D sharp, D sharp. So F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, then C sharp, C sharp, then B, 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 and then D sharp, D sharp. So that note is B, D sharp. So B, D sharp, E, F sharp, so this part is B, D sharp, E, F sharp, then E, D sharp. And next part is, and that is B, D sharp, E, F sharp. So if you are playing this all together, and next is going again to the higher portion. And that note is playing in the 14th and 16th fret of the first string. The notes are F sharp and G sharp. Oru is F sharp and G sharp, 14th and 16th fret in your guitar. Oru. So this string is 19th and 17th. So 14th, 16th, 19th, 17th. These four fret are coming in the very high end of your first string. So notes are F sharp, G sharp, and this is B, A, so notes are F sharp, G sharp, this one F sharp, G sharp, B, A, B, G sharp, F sharp. And next part is this one, and the note is E, F sharp, E, C sharp. So E, F sharp, E, C sharp. So if you are playing all together, and next one is, this one we already learned. And second pattern is this one, same notes, but the pattern, I mean style is little different, that is, so instead of single strike, multiple strikes at same note. So notes are same, second string this F sharp and first string this one C sharp. So notes same, only the difference is how we strike. Okay, so instead of a single strike, multiple strikes are and we are placing in the string, I mean in the note. This one is different, and the note is F sharp, G sharp. And next part is Idu Tarumo. This one is B, D sharp. Idu Tarumo, Idu Muraimo. And this part is D sharp, E, F sharp. And next part is and that part is G sharp, F sharp. All these songs are, I mean notes are in the first string. And remaining same Pallavi part. So by practice only you can learn this song. Even I didn't play in a perfect way, my tala all I think was out in the starting portion of this song. But anyway, my intention is to teach you the notes. I hope you can learn from this video. Keep learning. Thank you.